spanners. I have taken the cellophane off already. They're okay. These not, looking at them, they are a bit thin to be fair. And black, you could lose them working under a car. I think I prefer the other ones I got, which are I forgot what they're called. Franklin spanners, the ones I've reviewed before. Yeah, the Franklin spanners are good. These, they've got a nice head on them. Now they're about 26 quid for this little set. They've done another set, I think it was about 80 quid with spanners up to 32. But they look nice, they're alright. I'm not overly impressed.